In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add scale rating in Jotform. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the scale rating field, how to add it to your form, and how to fine-tune its settings so it captures feedback clearly and consistently. Start by opening your form in Jotform's Form Builder. From your dashboard, head into the builder and select the form you want to edit. This keeps everything in context so you can see how the rating scale will fit with your existing questions. On the left side of the builder, open the Form Elements panel by clicking Add Form Element. Make sure you're on the Basic tab. The Basic tab holds commonly used fields and is the quickest way to get your rating scale into the form without digging through advanced widgets. Now scroll through the Basic Elements list until you find Scale Rating. It typically appears as a horizontal scale like 1 to 5 or 1 to 10. Click it once and Jotform will instantly drop it into your form. You'll see a default version right away, which you can adjust to suit your needs. To customize the scale, click the Scale Rating field on your form, then click the gear icon to open Properties. In General Settings, you can set the scale range. Choose a range that matches the granularity you want. 1 to 5 is great for quick satisfaction checks, 1 to 10 offers more nuance, and ranges like 0 to 100 are best when you need very fine detail. Update the label to make your question clear. For example, how satisfied are you? And decide whether the field should be required so respondents can't skip it. Next, in Options, add text labels below the scale to anchor the ends. A simple pair like poor on the left and excellent on the right reduces confusion and improves data quality. You can choose to show the individual steps if you want each number to be visible, or hide them for a cleaner, more minimal look while still capturing the numeric value. In the Advanced section, adjust the field size to better fit your layout and add a short description if you need to give instructions or define how to use the scale. If you're using multiple scale groups and want to reduce order bias, you can enable shuffle options so the groups don't always appear in the same order. That's it. With the scale rating field added and tailored to your form's purpose, you'll gather clearer, more consistent feedback in just a few clicks.